In this short video, we would like to show you how to modify the beginning and end of lines, arrows, connectors, and other types of line objects in PowerPoint. Let's insert a line. Right-click on it and select Format Shape. We're interested in the commands that are in the lower part of the Line Style section, namely Arrow Settings. When we click on Begin Type, we can select the shape to have at the beginning of the line. These are the various options. I'll choose one of them. Let's say Diamond Arrow. You can see that the beginning of the line is in the shape of a diamond arrow after the modification that was made. The end type of the line can be modified in the exact same way. We need to open the Line Style menu, as we did before, and select a type of shape for the end of the line. It is as simple as that. There's an additional detail. We can adjust the size of the begin and end shapes of each line. I will click on the button called Begin Size, and will adjust the size of the diamond arrow shape that we chose. I will pick the largest size. And here it is. The shape at the beginning of the line is bigger. Identically, I can modify the end type shape's size. I'll select the largest possible size for the end of the line. And then I'll close the dialog box. Here are the two elements that we have just modified.